From WDW the products, makers of Back of the Ranch dressing, we bring you WDW the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Survival Kit, or the Swagexka. Galaxy's Edge opening soon at Disneyland and Walt Disney World. The Disney community is expecting record line. That's why we've created Swagexka. It's a large series of suitcases full of everything you'll need to enjoy your time in Batuu, with luxury convenience while standing next to thousands of other sweaty nerds.
You can smell it!
In the first suitcase of Swagexka, you'll find everything you need to pass those long hours in line, while someone inevitably recites the tragedy of Dark Plagueis and tries to explain how it connects to Supreme Leader Snoke. No, not earplugs, sweet, sweet reading material. That's right! We've jammed all of the expanded universe, Star Wars Legends literature into one of our 3 easy-to-tote suitcases. Do you want to catch up with Mara Jade? Do you need to know more about Galen Marek? How long has it been since you read the adventures of Flugor Rajgor? Did I make that last one up? You can find out. Our second case gives you all of the best in privacy and cleanliness while you are among the unwashed masses. We have full body wipes full of Purell, Axe body spray, and an entire fleet of Tide Pens, because let's be serious, you're going to spill something on that Han shot first shirt. But that is not all in this case, the grand Yoda of it all. WDW the Adult Sanitary Pant, or WASP. Hey, we said there were going to be lines. This way you can do your business in the WDW Adult Sanitary Pant, or WASP, and nobody will know when you go number 1 or number but 2. And in the final case, it's the coup de grace. All the things you'll need to keep your technology going. The Disney Parks Play app is going to interact with Galaxy's Edge in ways you've never seen before. You're going to need all the fuel rods you can find to keep your phone fully operational. That's why WDW has partnered with Die Hard to bring you the first ever car battery cell phone charger. Just hook your iPhone up to the battery and you will have life all day long. But it will also power failing droids you may find throughout the land. That's right, the Bob Chapek budget cut their power supplies. Now how much would you expect to pay for this? $1,200? No, that's a different bit. $1 million? Closer, but that would be crazy. The Swagexka, including all we've told you and so much more, can be yours for the low, low price of $15,559. That's right, $15,559. Pray we don't alter this deal any further. Call now!